Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a Google Maps link directly in the Waze app. Without any further ado, let's get started. So let's say you're already viewing a location or route on Google Maps. Maybe someone sent you a link to a specific place, or you've got directions pulled up that you want to follow using Waze instead. The first thing you'll want to do is look for the share button on your Google Maps screen. This is typically located near the top or bottom of the screen, depending on whether you're using the mobile app or browser version. Go ahead and click on Share to proceed. Once you tap that share button, Google Maps will bring up a menu with several sharing options. You'll see different apps and services you can send the location to, like messaging apps, email, and other navigation tools. This is where you'll find the option to send your map data to other applications installed on your device. From this list of options that appears, look for Waze. You should see the Waze icon among the available apps. Simply click on Waze from this menu. This tells Google Maps that you want to transfer the location or route information over to your Waze navigation app instead of keeping it in Google Maps. After you select Waze, you'll need to wait a moment while the information transfers between the two apps. During this brief loading period, your device is processing the location data and preparing to launch Waze with the correct destination already loaded. This usually only takes a few seconds, but the speed can vary depending on your device and internet connection. Once the loading completes, the Waze app will automatically open on your screen with the location or route from Google Maps already set as your destination. You'll see the familiar Waze interface with the map, and the address or place you selected in Google Maps will now be ready for navigation in Waze. This seamless transfer saves you from having to manually copy and paste addresses or search for the same location twice, and that's it. You've successfully opened a Google Maps link directly in your Waze app, allowing you to navigate using your preferred navigation platform while still being able to receive and view locations that were originally shared through Google Maps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.